so on the right track. The idea of a train has to spread awareness of health issues, especially HIV/AIDS, as has been said by my colleagues just now, was mooted by the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation to the National AIDS Control Organization 3 years ago, when Qureshi ji was heading it. And it is most gratifying to see that this idea has become a successful reality and that the train is taking its message to the far-flung areas of our country. HIV/AIDS is a disease that needs the collective effort and understanding of all of our people to contain it from spreading, as well as helping those who suffer from it. It is a disease that disproportionately affects the poor and the young in their prime. And that is why HIV/AIDS epidemic has a high priority for the UPA government. As has been said, and as you most probably know, we have been able to bring down the number of people affected by this disease, and we are committed to continue to work to contain and to reverse HIV/AIDS. Now, the idea of the Red Ribbon Express was also to bring in a unity of purpose among different government departments, and I'm happy that the Department of Railways, Youth and Health have joined hands with NACO to fight this disease. And more importantly, at the district level, the train has brought together people's representatives cutting across political party lines and all departments ranging from the police to Anganwadi workers, school teachers to panchayats, women's self-help groups to youth organizations, and many NGOs all together to meet this challenge. I therefore congratulate the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for its success in mobilizing such a diverse and large section of civil society in this gigantic campaign. Programs like the Red Ribbon Express are important in a modern technology-driven society like ours. We all know that information is empowerment. Information can save many lives and keep millions from spending their hard earnings on medical bills. Another positive aspect is that the mandate of the train has been expanded to carrying information and messages of services being provided to rural population under the National Rural Health Mission, and on other health issues like right to nutrition, maternal health, prevention against diseases like swine flu, diabetes, and other lifestyle diseases. So I end by once again complimenting the ministries concerned and all others who are working with the ministries to fight, to meet the challenge of reversing HIV/AIDS and other diseases. And on behalf of the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, I once again compliment the ministries and all of you, and I wish you all success in your endeavor. Thank you all for being here today. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Madam. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very grateful to all our dignitaries for taking time off their busy schedules to join us for this very important initiative. Their presence is an indication of their commitment to this campaign. I now request Srimati Sonia Gandhi to inaugurate the train exhibition by cutting the ribbon. I'd like to request all of you to please remain seated while she goes in for the exhibition. The proceedings will be relayed on plasma screens that have been placed at various places.
The UPA chairperson cutting the ribbon to flag off Phase 2 of the Red Ribbon Express. The Red Ribbon Express putting the fight against AIDS firmly on track, holding out the hope of health for millions, and slowly inching towards victory over AIDS.
और अब रेलगाड़ी में जो पोस्टर्स लगे हैं, कुछ और जानकारी है, उनका अवलोकन करते हुए श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी, ममता बनर्जी, गुलाम नबी आजाद और अन्य गणमान्य व्यक्ति जो इस वक्त यहां उपस्थित.
In fact, the whole concept is a broad-based multimedia, multi-sectoral mass mobilization project in the country to make it a holistic and comprehensive campaign to mobilize a people's movement against HIV/AIDS. Interactive means, methodologies for disseminating information, exhibition material, and plenty of printed material and literature in different languages which will be distributed, all in this wonderful train, the Red Ribbon Express.
22 राज्यों का सफर तय करेगी ये रेलगाड़ी और 152 स्टेशंस पर रुकेगी और पहला पड़ाव इसका रहेगा श्रीगंगानगर का हनुमानगढ़.
That's right. Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, Ms. Mamta Banerjee, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi going round the train and seeing how the various multimedia interactive tools work. All very exciting for the villagers and for the townspeople where this train stops. And Pradeep, it is this excitement which brings people to this train.
और ये एक ऐसा प्रयास है जो विश्व में अपनी तरह का पहला है और सबसे बड़ा जन जागरूकता कार्यक्रम है. ये अपने आप में एक विश्व रिकॉर्ड है और भारत जो आज अपने आम लोगों के स्वास्थ्य के प्रति जागरूक है, वहां इस तरह का प्रयास निसंदेह बहुत ही सराहनीय है. और देखिए, सारी जानकारी यहां मौजूद है, न सिर्फ HIV/AIDS के बारे में बल्कि सामान्य स्वास्थ्य के बारे में.
That's right, Pradeep, and evidence suggests that the Red Ribbon Express has helped in increasing awareness on HIV/AIDS and has also increased utilization of services. It has proved to be a successful multi-sectoral initiative and a powerful tool for advocacy both at the state and district level. And this time a coach on the National Rural Health Mission with an exhibition covering issues such as malaria, TB, H1N1 and reproductive and child health services has been added. And all these are of prime importance.
एक और जो अहम बात है यहाँ इस रेलगाड़ी में वो ये है कि जगह जगह इसमें संदेश नजर आते हैं. जिंदगी जिंदाबाद या स्वस्थ जीवन की राहें चार, खुलकर करो बात, पाओ सही जानकारी, स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं का करो उपयोग, मांगो अपना हक.
Absolutely. In fact, live life, long live life. The Red Ribbon Express, which is on the move